Good evening, everyone, and welcome to Harrison Avenue's Open House 2020. For those of you who I have not spoken to or met yet this year, my name is Valerie Himes. I'm the principal of Harrison Avenue School, and this is my 12th year in Harrison, so it is my 12th reopening. It is certainly the most different and the most unconventional reopening that I've ever experienced, and I know for those of you who have been here for a while, you are feeling the same. First and foremost, I'd like to thank the parent community for all of your support over the last 5 or 6 months. Many of you have reached out just to see how the teachers and I are doing, which we really appreciate. You've made suggestions, you've asked questions, some really great questions and some hard questions. And we appreciate it all because it helps us to reevaluate our instructional model and look for ways to make your child's experience better at Harrison Avenue. We're doing this at Harrison Avenue, and we are doing this at the district level. I also want to thank our many other partners. Our teachers have not stopped working since we had to close down in March. They spend almost every minute of their time working to optimize your child's educational and their social experience. To all parents, including the PTA, thank you for your involvement and for trying to make school feel like school for our students. You are working tirelessly to hold on to as many social school activities as possible. The Harrison Youth Council has been providing support to our students virtually, and the Harrison Police Department continues to be a steady presence at HAS. Kids have loved seeing Officer Mike and the other members of HPD who visit Harrison Avenue frequently. Our custodial staff, our office staff, our nursing staff, our school psychologists have not slowed down at all, even if we've asked them to take on more and more. These have been difficult times, but some important elements of school have remained. Your children are here, not as long and for as much time as we all would have liked, but they are happy and they are learning when they're here. This is important to remember as we move forward. We will get through the coming weeks and months together. In Harrison, we'll continue to adapt and develop what we know in order to optimize your child's educational experience. We'll continue to partner with you. We want the same things for our HAS students. We want them to be learning, we want them to be happy, and most of all, we want them to feel safe at school. Enjoy your evening with your child's teacher this evening, and I will see and speak to you very soon.